Have you ever stayed silent because you could not find the English words fast enough? Do you know grammar rules but still struggle to speak? Do you think of a sentence in your language? Then try to translate it, and then forget what you were going to say. If yes, then you are not alone. Most English learners have this problem. The real reason is that you are thinking in your own language and trying to translate into English. But the brain does not work like that. If you want to speak fluently, you must start thinking directly in English, and in this complete video, I will teach you how to do it step by step. This is not theory, this is a method that works, and it can change the way you speak English forever. Chapter 1: Why you struggle to speak fluently. Most people can read and write in English. But when it comes to speaking, they pause, they forget words, they hesitate. This happens because the brain is working in two languages. First you think in your native language. Then you translate into English. But English has different sentence structures, different word order and different expressions. So translation creates confusion and delay. That is why you feel stuck. Fluent speakers think directly in English. No translation. Just natural speech, and you can train your brain to do the same. Chapter 2: What it really means to think in English. Thinking in English does not mean speaking out loud all the time. It means creating your daily thoughts in English. When you wake up and plan your day, do it in English. When you are walking and noticing things, name them in English. When you are feeling something, describe it in English. This trains your brain to connect thoughts with English words. Without your native language in the middle, that is the key to fluency. Chapter 3: Start small with simple words. Start with objects around you. When you see a chair, say chair in your mind. When you drink water, say water. Do this for everything you see and use pen, bag, key, fan, bottle, light. This is called mental labeling. It teaches your brain to connect objects with English words directly. You are building your English memory every day. It may feel slow at first, but this is the foundation. Chapter 4: Move to simple sentences. Now take those words and put them into basic sentences. I am eating, she is walking, the fan is on, this is my phone. My shoes are black. Repeat these in your mind as you go through your day. No one needs to hear you. This is your private training. Your thoughts become English thoughts. That is where fluency starts. Chapter 5: Add description and details. After you are comfortable with short sentences, start adding more information. Describe what you see, what you feel, what you want to do. I am feeling tired today because I slept late. The man next to me is talking loudly on the phone. This restaurant looks very clean and quiet. This helps you learn how to express complex thoughts in English. The more you describe, the faster you grow. Chapter 6: Talk to yourself all day. You are your best speaking partner. Use every chance to talk to yourself in English while cooking, while walking, while cleaning, while waiting in line. Ask yourself questions. What should I eat today? What did I learn yesterday? How am I feeling right now? Answer them in English. This creates real conversation patterns in your brain. It builds your fluency naturally, without pressure or fear. Chapter 7: Use the mirror technique. Stand in front of a mirror every day for 5 to 10 minutes. Talk to yourself about your day, your plans, your ideas. Pretend you are speaking to someone. This builds confidence. It helps you see your expressions, and it pushes you to think faster. You are training your brain and your mouth at the same time. Chapter 8: Surround yourself with English. The brain learns from what it sees and hears. Change your phone to English. Watch YouTube videos in English. Listen to English music, read short stories. Even if you do not understand every word, keep going. The more you hear English, the more your brain will start thinking in English. Make English your daily environment. Chapter 9: Stop worrying about mistakes. Many learners stop speaking because they fear mistakes, but mistakes are normal. They are part of learning. Even native speakers make grammar errors. What matters is confidence and clarity. Keep speaking. Keep thinking, and you will improve faster than ever. Chapter 10. Repeat daily until it becomes a habit. Thinking in English is not a one-time activity. It is a habit you build. Start your day with English thoughts. Spend your free time practicing English in your mind, and your day reviewing your day in English. After a few weeks, your brain will do this automatically. That is when fluency becomes real. Suggested daily routine. Morning. As soon as you wake up, say what you will do today. Think in English while brushing your teeth. Describe your room, your clothes, the weather. Afternoon. Think about your tasks. Make mental sentences. Use English words while working or traveling. Evening. Watch one video in English. Talk about it to yourself. Practice mirror speaking. Review your day in English thoughts. Night. Before sleeping, say one thing you learned and one thing you want to improve tomorrow, all in English. Final motivation. You are not slow, you are not bad at languages, you just need the right method. Thinking in English is that method. It is powerful. It is simple. And it works. Do not wait for perfection. Start now, make mistakes. Enjoy the process and you will become fluent faster than you believe. Conclusion. Now you know how to think in English. Start small, practice daily, use your environment, talk to yourself. And surround your life with English. If this video helped you, subscribe to English Academy, like this video. Share it with friends and comment below. Are you ready to start thinking in English today? Your journey to fluency starts now.